Gratitude journaling. I want you to get a piece of paper right now and write down 3 things that you're grateful for. Now I want you to imagine that they were gone. If you wrote down family, imagine they died in a car crash. If you wrote down your computer, imagine it broke. If you wrote down water, imagine there was a drought. Allow this feeling of negativity and missing things you're grateful for to fill you up. Then come back to the realization that stuff didn't happen. Your family's still alive, your PC is also alive, and you have a plentiful supply of water. I'm sure that you feel a lot more grateful for these things now. Gratitude is an emotion that directly links to feeling happy and content within life. If you're grateful, you can find the positive side of most situations, and so it makes you happier. However, being grateful is now rarer than ever. With so much at your fingertips, no wonder that you take simple things like food, water, friends and family for granted. So how can you build up gratitude and use it in your daily lives? There is a simple solution to this complex problem of human emotion, and that is gratitude journaling. Every day, write down 3 things that you're grateful for and keep them in mind for a moment. As this becomes a habit, you should find yourself being more grateful and mindful of the things around you. It is a surprisingly easy but efficient trick which I've been using for a long time, and it has made me a lot happier. Especially when first starting self-improvement, I saw gratitude journaling as a low-tariff, high-results method, and it was. I hope that everyone watching this video tries this out, as it can really change your life and requires minimal effort to get started. It really is the gateway to happiness, and so the gateway to self-improvement. Once you start gratitude journaling, you want to improve yourself in other ways as well, which will lead to you becoming more motivated to change yourself for the better. If you liked the video or learned something new, then please consider subscribing or liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.